Hey everyone, are you worried about writing codes, a lot of codes and doing lot of configurations on different type of paid platforms to configure your applications for voice commands feature? No need to worry now. We have a solution for you. So, me, Raman Sharma, founder of Voicey AI, presents you a solution named React Voicey, which is developed by Raman Sharma himself. It is a first ever React component library that enables you voice controls automatically for your websites, which can be a React or Next.js based website without any need of extra code. That also just in 3 steps. So you just have to follow the 3 steps. It's awesome now. But wait, are you worried? Or are you thinking that how this thing is even possible? Trust me, it is possible. Let's see how it is possible. So in the step 1, you just have to install the library. Just open the terminal in your main website and then type yarn at react-voicey to install this library as a dependency. Now in the second step, you have to import the component. So just go to your main page of the application and type import initialize voice controls from React Voicey. Once you have done importing the component, so in the step 3 and last step, you have to call the voice control component. So just call initialize voice control component and enable navigation and scrolling controls. That's it. So you don't have to do anything, your voice controls are ready to use. So just go to localhost and then you have to give commands to your websites. So why are you waiting for? Just go to npmjs.org and type React Voicey there and try it now.